If you're seeing Gamma app error code 500, don't worry, because this is usually a temporary issue and there are a few very simple fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot the Gamma 500 error, whether it happens while generating content, loading a document, or using the AI features inside the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started. First, the most common fix is to simply wait and retry. Error code 500 often means the server is overloaded, busy, or having a short temporary glitch during content generation. So before you do anything else, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then try generating your document again. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the issue. If Gamma still shows the same error, the next thing you should do is simplify your prompt. If you're using AI generation and your instructions are very long, very detailed, or packed with a huge block of text, that can sometimes overload the generator. Try breaking your request into smaller, simpler steps. For example, instead of asking Gamma to create everything at once, ask it to generate one section at a time. Keep your prompt clear, concise, and focused on one task. This can make a big difference, especially if the app is struggling with complex input. Now let's move on to browser-related fixes. Another very common cause of Gamma app error code 500 is corrupted or outdated browser cache and cookies. These stored files can interfere with your session and prevent Gamma from loading properly. To fix that, clear your browser cache and cookies, then refresh Gamma and try again. If you don't want to clear everything, you can also open Gamma in an incognito or private window. This gives you a fresh session without old browser data getting in the way. If the app works there, then the problem is likely related to your normal browser data. Next, check your third-party extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other browser extensions can sometimes block Gamma's background requests without you realizing it. That can trigger a 500 error or stop the app from completing actions properly. Try disabling your extensions one by one, or open Gamma in a clean browser profile with extensions turned off. If Gamma starts working after that, you've found the cause. At this point, if the error is still happening, it's a good idea to refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, and test Gamma in a different browser as well. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary browser session problem rather than a full app failure. Also make sure your internet connection is stable, because a weak or inconsistent connection can make server errors seem worse than they really are. So to recap, first, wait 2 to 3 minutes and retry. Second, simplify your prompt. Third, clear cache and cookies or use incognito mode. And fourth, check browser extensions that may be blocking Gamma. These steps solve most Gamma error code 500 problems quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides, AI tool tutorials, and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.